It's so small, you can find it, right? I'm Dirk Kochern, founder of United City Bikes. I'm not proud of my English, but I'm proud of this one.
We at United City Bikes are sure you like to be flexible and independent. You don't want to be stuck in traffic and spend your time looking for parking? At United City Bikes, we have developed a folding bike that takes urban mobility to the next level. We have asked ourselves, what do you actually need?
Our answer is the world's lightest, smartest, most flexible and most affordable electric folding bike.
A bike that only weighs 12.5 kilos is easy to carry, easy to store and easy to ride.
Quality is our top priority.
You invest in a product that is made to last. The One is not just another folding bike. It contains more than 20 patents, has a handmade magnesium alloy frame, and if you opt for the extra-large battery, it reaches up to 60 kilometers. You can fold the One in 10 seconds. A high-performance magnet holds it in place, and it's only 25 centimeters slim in folded condition. We at United City Bikes hope to change the world by changing the way we move. But we are convinced that changing the world can also be fun.
Get involved and become a part of our crowdfunding campaign.
We don't need crowdfunding to develop this bike, but to start rolling it out. This is a fully tested and certified product. We are ready for the next step to make the world's lightest electric folding bike accessible to everyone in every city in the world. Order the One, and it will come to you fully equipped and ready to use. No compromises, no hidden upgrades. The only compromise we made was the price. How do we manage to keep the cost down and the quality high? We use our experience. We source products from great partners. We know about manufacturing. We believe in crowdfunding and direct online trade. We produce as much as we need. We don't waste money on storage, dealerships, etc.
Everyone gets off this bike with a big smile.
Yeah.